Hi guys, so yeah, today with my running around, which I'm still not done doing, started sweating a little bit here, I finally got around to getting the Habanero McChicken. Also, just as a reminder, it launched on February 12th, is available until March 11th, and is only in McDonald's Canada. I'm going to give you guys a look-see here. See the... See the orange sauce and the lettuce, the chicken. I just don't want to give you guys a closer look because I'm dropping lettuce everywhere. Okay, let's try this. Oh yeah. Definitely, sorry about that, guys. Definitely a little bit more of a kick than the jalapeno. Really good. Take a sip of my drink. Not because it's spicy, because I'm thirsty. Let's take another bite. Oh my gosh, I love this better than the jalapeno one, guys. So, I think I can give the Habanero McChicken 5 out of 5 stars. It's got more of a kick than the jalapeno one. Tons of flavor. It's got a kick, but not too much of a kick. A little bit of spiciness, you know what I mean? But I love spicy. I can't wait to try the ghost pepper. That one is not available until February 26th. So I'm going to be trying that one 2 weeks from now. And we'll see how that one is. But this one is spicier, definitely, than the jalapeno. But if you don't like spicy, you still might be okay with this one. I know, I think it's spicy, but I don't think it's too bad. I recommend that you guys try it. And they're only available in Canada at McDonald's until March 11th. So you guys want to try it? Oh, you're going to have to try it soon. So yeah, just a reminder, guys, links to my social media are in the description. Don't forget to check those out, as well as other YouTube channels that I subscribe to. There's also links down below for those channels as well. And don't forget, guys, on your way out to hit the like. And if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, I encourage you guys to hit the subscribe and hit that bell, so that way you always know when I'm putting out tantalizing new videos and for reviews. Anyhow, guys, I appreciate all your support. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good weekend, everybody. Bye.